Hello, David Bradley from the Box Room here. If you have a Commodore 128 and it is correctly hooked up to a monitor, and you turn it on, and it comes up like this. Right now, of course, the 128 tries to boot off the disk, but if it comes up like this on the screen and you see nothing, don't be panicked. Simply look onto the keyboard in the upper row where it says 4080 display. Because what happened is this is what should be a 40 display. I don't have a monitor to try the 80 on it, but the key that is 4080 display is stuck down. So push that so it pops up, push the reset button, and your 128 is back. So don't panic. Just look at what's in front of you. And these switches, they're toggle switches, which means you push them down, they'll stay on. They don't switch anything while the power's on. But once the machine comes up, anyway, don't panic. Just observe and go from there. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.